Wow, guys, look at these curls. Aren't they absolutely gorgeous? Now, let me walk you through some common mistakes you should avoid when coiling your hair so you can achieve flawless results every time. Let's get started. Hello, lovers of Bubu Kizzy Fashion. Welcome to another episode of Everything Hair. So, our first common mistake we make is skipping heat protection. Heat protection is actually very important, so you can prevent heat damage from your hair and maintain your wig's quality. And secondly, using the wrong temperature, especially on synthetic wigs, is just going to do more harm than good. It's just going to give you a satisfaction for a short period of time, but eventually you're going to find out that you're in serious hair problems. And guys, the third reason is coiling two big sections. You need to make sure you section your hair into tiny parts. This way, your coils can actually be even and create a better definition and actually last longer as well. So unless you're going maybe for a bounce or something like that, then there is an exception. Guys, our fourth reason is going to be overloading with a lot of products. Just avoid applying too much products or too much hairsprays when coiling your hair, as this can weigh it down and make it stiff. So our fifth reason is not holding your coils long enough. Guys, after you're coiling your hair, don't wash it. Make sure you hold your coils maybe with a pin, or just hold it on the palm of your hand and let it cool before you drop it. And last but not the least, after coiling your hair, give it some time to cool down, to perfectly cool down before you get into the styling. So I hope these points help you achieve a flawless coil. And thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Make sure you recommend this video to a friend and always come back for more, as I post amazing tutorials each and every day. Bye.